Is Bitcoin getting to $40,000 in 2023 a reality? Yes or no? I think it's the question that we're all asking ourselves. We're asking ourselves what that number is. Is it 35,000? Is it 40? Is it 50,000? I'm going to call it like this. As long as that bad boy is going up, I'm happy. And the overall consensus is that it will go up. Is the number 40,000 sooner rather than later, 50,000 for me? It's all good either way. That's how I look at it, right? I look at it from the standpoint that as Bitcoin rises, everything else rises, Ethereum, altcoins, all that kind of stuff. So there you go. And it is a possibility that we could be seeing Bitcoin to 40,000 pretty quickly. So I'm going to get this name wrong, but Kaleo tells us 570,000 Twitter followers that the 40,000 is a quote psychological level, which I love, and that it's going to be a quote a magnet, which I love, and I think that's true, right? If you look at where BTC is right now, is trading at 27,728. It has again in the last 24 hours jumped up over that 28,000 number. So 40,000 is not real far out of the realm of possibility of where we're at right now. I'm going to remind you that Bitcoin's up over 65, 70 plus percent on the year. We started Bitcoin at 16,000 and change, and now we're at 27,000 and change. So Bitcoin is absolutely stolen the show as far as the aggregate move up this year. Ethereum has done well as well. Altcoins, not so much. And that's another point. You always need to remember something that the flow of money coming into crypto usually happens in this order: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then altcoins. That's literally kind of how it works, right? And so I follow Bitcoin. I talk about it. Even if you do not own BTC, you need to be aware of it, and you need to know from a macro level standpoint where it's going, what it's doing, because Bitcoin in and of itself is probably north of 40+% of the entire crypto market capitalization is Bitcoin, right? I mean, if you look at, and what I'm talking about is this, let me show you. If you look at this number, 1.16, so 1,160 billion, that's the overall crypto market capitalization. That is 23,000 cryptos right there, 23,000 cryptos. And if you look at this, Bitcoin is right here, 530 billion plus. So yes, it makes up about 40-ish% of this number. Don't do math in public. I'll tell you, between Bitcoin and Ethereum, they make up 60% of the entire crypto market capitalization. Something to be aware of, right? So yeah, I think Bitcoin to 40,000, very doable. Remember that we have the halving event coming in April or May of next year. And every single time we've had the halving event, we've seen Bitcoin rally, spike, go up dramatically. And the consensus call for the move up after this next halving event is $200,000 for each Bitcoin. Yep, you heard it there, right? That's a 10x plus from where we're at right now. Nice. And again, I always look at it this way: whether you own Bitcoin or not, by the way, you should, not investing advice, you should be diversified and own some Bitcoin. It's good stuff. It drives the market. That's what I got. As always, thanks for your time. I think Bitcoin to 40,000 is going to happen by the end of the year, if not higher. I'll see you. Bye.